We're gonna get in here and do some get some movement in here. Relax here for me. Good. Okay. Relax right. Actually scoot a little bit further down on the chair here, and then upper right here. There you go. Perfect. Relax right here for me. Very good. All right. All right. All right. Let's see here. We're gonna get a little bit of movement in here. Tender in here. Yeah. Sorry about it. All right. Relax right in here for me. Good. Relax in here. Good. Good. Same thing here. Good. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Here for me. Okay. There. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Are you going to the gym right after?
Yeah, right after.
All right. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Very good. Lay face up for me. Okay. Right in here. Nice socks. Good. Right here. Good. Stay right there. Try to get a little bit of work here on the neck. All right. Okay. Tender in there?
Yes, sir.
Relax here. Good. One more here. Relax. All right. Very good.